Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't even know what I'ma talk about. I was thinking about giving a shout out to truck drivers. But then I thought about it. How they just ride around, finding obscure women to pound, manipulated young girls, fucking up their whole world, and the moms that they touched, and the kids that they fucked up, watching him come and leave, watching blood on my sleeve. Now, I've never been touched. I've never been, nothing ever happened to me, because then I would self-destruct. Camel clutch, but that's enough. Unbuckle the gun holder, lift it up to his shoulder. Blow, 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 blow. Look at my mama, she's crying now. Truck driver. Motell Granite the Great. Truck driver. 18 wheels, 18 cities, 18 women. What a pity. A wife at home with children, a lot of money in the bank, and you killing our community. You, and there's another bitch that go with you. Man, I seen the girl in the truck. I seen inside her as you. She fucked, not just physically, but spiritually and mentally. Truck driver. Send me my cash. Give me my money right now, motherfucker. Or you can't.
Purchase your tracks
You can't.
today.
Dead people can't send money. They don't have an Instagram for me. I'm so glad I took care of business. I'm so glad I made that fucking decision. My mother cried on my small shoulder, and I just held her because I'm much bolder. And I told her that I got her. And that was even before I shot her. Truck driver. I wish he would have been a part of the swimming team, jumped off just like a diver.